Welcome back. In this, we are going to understand the probing in Kubernetes. What exactly the probing mean here in Kubernetes? Probing is a mechanism used to determine the health of the container. And for that, we have three types of probing. One is the Liveness Probe, other one is the Readiness Probe, and the third one is the Startup Probe. So let's start with the Liveness Probe. Now, what exactly the Liveness Probe is? Let's suppose you have an application which is up and running. Now, the application is not running and you need to restart that application. How you will get to know that the application was working previously and now it is not working? So you need some kind of probing mechanism. And here the Liveness Probe is going to help you, where it is going to check whether the container application is alive, responsive or not. So this is the purpose of the Liveness Probe. So Liveness Probe, if the application was running and now it is not running, what action it is going to take? It is going to restart the container. And these are the typical use case where we are going to use the Liveness Probe. Here it is going to detect the deadlock. It is going to detect whether the container is stuck or it is not in a recoverable state. Ensure that the application is running and responsive. And also verify that the application is responsive to the requests which are coming. So this is the Liveness Probe. Move to the second one. That is a Readiness Probe. Readiness Probe is something, let's suppose you have a container, you have an application which is running inside the container and that application is now ready to accept the traffic. Again, the purpose of this, check if the container is ready to serve the traffic or not. So it is going to check whether the application which is running inside the container is ready to accept the traffic. If the application is not ready, what action it is going to take? It is going to remove that pod, or it is going to remove that container from the endpoint list, and also it is not going to send the traffic to that pod. Typical use case, ensure that a container is fully initialized and ready to receive the traffic. Avoid situation where pod receive traffic before they are fully prepared to handle it. Now the third one, we have the Startup Probe. This is simply going to check whether the container is started successfully or not. Typical use case, you have two applications and these two applications are taking longer time to come, or in the initializing state you have n number of scripts which are running. So the application container is taking a huge time to come on. In those kind of scenarios, we are going to use the Startup Probe. So here if we see waiting for a long initializing process, complete before considering the container to be ready. And what action it is going to take? It is going to restart the container. There is a difference between the Liveness Probe and the Startup Probe. If you look at these, both are going to restart the container. Liveness Probe, here, it is going to restart the container if the application is not responsive. And here also, if the application is not coming up in time, then also it is going to restart the container. But here is a difference. In Liveness Probe, it is going to restart the container again, and check for the application to come. Here in the Startup Probe, it is only going to restart the application one. So that means once it is going to restart the application, it is not going to restart that application again. So that is the difference between the Startup and the Liveness Probe.